How does the Era PVC Rainwater Gutter perform? Sourced from major domestic suppliers. Using brand new materials and rejecting recycled materials. We have a dedicated rubber ring factory to ensure quality and delivery time. For colors available. The rainwater drainage system covers a variety of sizes. 110 millimeters, 125 millimeters, 140 millimeters, and 170 millimeters. 125 millimeters square, 5.2 inch square, and 7 inch square. Compared with metal and other material rain gutters, our PVC rain gutters have excellent strength and toughness. Has obtained the CE certificate and Kite Mark certificate. Application scenarios: roof drainage, garden irrigation,